Right, g'day guys, how you going? So we're here at Jamestown, just having a bit of a break so the puppies can do her business, have a bit of a sniff about, because we've been pretty helter-skelter the last few days with this load that we've got on. So I'd like to give a shout out to Yogi at Kendall Trucking for getting us onto the fallow to get this spreader there, and topped it up with a New Holland tractor as well, so not a bad little load coming back from Perth. Had to sit around for a few days, but all's well that ends well, as they say. So yeah, had to run oversized, daylight travel only, but still been able to punch out the 1,000k a day. So yeah, not going to complain about that too much. So we're on the home straight now, I would have thought you could say now. We're here at Jamestown, as I say, so we'll get the spreader off tomorrow, and then that's going further up to Inverell. So that'll fill in a weekend nicely, I dare say. So, yeah, not too much to tell about getting this stuff on. You know, tractors are fairly easy, and old mate Andrew gave me a good hand to get that on with the telehandler. And as you can see, I pretty well overdo it with chains and straps when you're running across the paddock or real long distances, just as that little safety precaution, I guess. So, I mean, although these two straps on the back here aren't probably doing bugger all, it's there just in case, you know, one of these chains fail and you don't realise for a couple of hours or so. So there you go. That way, you know, driving with confidence that stuff ain't going to fall off. So we've got our coffee, we've got a bit of food, and there's not much between here and heading over to Wagga. So best we fill up now and be on our way. What do you reckon, puppies? Where the hell'd she go? She has this just being able to disappear like that. There you are! Oh, hello! How's it going? Yeah, you enjoyed your trip across the paddocks? All right. Well, what do you reckon? Time to go? I reckon so. Anyway, guys, hope you have a fantastic weekend. Geez, nothing that need to watch. Super singles do nothing for the side of the truck, eh? Catch us later. All right, you want to go for a drive? Yeah, of course you do, little puppies. Oh, here we go. All right, up you get. Up you get. Oh, you need a hand, don't you? Hey, oh, there you go. Oh, that's good for puppies.